This is how to use the tire mobility kit. If a tire is damaged, pull over onto the shoulder of the road or park the vehicle in a nearby parking lot. The tire mobility kit is located at the bottom of the luggage room. Shake the sealant bottle to mix the sealant. Connect the hose of the compressor to the sealant injection hose. Unscrew the wheel air inlet cap of the damaged tire and connect the sealant hose to the inlet. Open the front trunk and remove the battery cover. Connect the compressor cable to the vehicle battery. Start the vehicle and turn on the compressor to inject the sealant. After injecting the sealant, drive at low speeds for 10 minutes so that the sealant is well applied. Open the driver's door and check the recommended air pressure level. Operate the compressor to add air until the recommended air pressure level is reached. Use the tire mobility kit when a tire bottom is damaged. Remove the speed limit label from the sealant bottle and attach it to a clearly visible place, and follow the speed limit.
Kia, movement that inspires.